Guys, remember, it is happening, and I had warned you about that scenario, and it's happening right now that Bitcoin is breaking lower here. We went a little bit higher than expected in the first place, but we went now lower, and there are some important signs in the charts that are going to tell us how low we will actually go and what is happening here again that has happened in the past and will tell us where we are heading next. If you think that this is interesting, then definitely stick around here. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, you're liking this video, and also activate the bell to never miss out on these important updates. And now let's directly get into today's content. So here on the 1 hourly chart, you can see that Bitcoin went here all the way up to $31,541 approximately and created a new higher high in that range. So that high here was broken, which was in the first place bullish, but then you see here this huge rejection now to the downside, and in that rejection we also broke a crucial support level that had given us for quite a while support here, and that was the $31,400 level that we just broke. So we got also a rejection from that candle that we are in right now on the 1 hourly chart. And for now, we get also supported from $30,124. But I still believe that we go lower from here. I believe that this will turn around and go all the way down to the range to $29,800. And hopefully, the range is going to hold. And we see from there a bounce back to the upside with a trajectory of $32,000 in the short to mid term. When we are looking at liquidation levels, we can see down here shorts are piling up right now. That's why this here is in red. And when we're looking here at the potential of a long squeeze, then I can tell you we have to get to around what is it here? I would say it's like 30,050. Once we get there, we could see an acceleration all the way down to like 29,700. And if we would break also that here, just over 29,500, that's maybe 29,550, 29,600. If we break that level, we could see a quick acceleration all the way down to close to 29. So also here, the longest bar, you see it, 120 million would be liquidated in that instance. And also here, that also could trigger a long squeeze. There is over 140 million in longs that can get liquidated, and I'm pretty sure the bears are hunting right now for that level because the price action is not far away from it, also not here from that bar, also over 140, that might be even 150 million. Yeah, we got really close to that, not liquidated yet, but close, really close. So we should be ready to see further acceleration to the downside. And now let's move here to another chart. Here on that chart, don't forget guys, on the 4 hourly chart, I had told you if that triangle here, that ascending triangle, would break to the downside, which I told you I'm leaning to, that this is going to break to the downside, then the target is here around $28,600. So we could see a move all the way down there, especially with an evening star formation on the 4 hourly chart, which is really, really ugly right now and is a reversal pattern, and we have still 2 hours to go. So if here the bulls are not stepping in and pushing this at least back to $30,500, then we are definitely in trouble here in the short term, and most likely see finally the overdue correction that we actually need before we can see another attempt to break $32,000 or going in that direction. So we definitely need a small briefer to the downside, and I would be not surprised if that is now the start of it. On the 12 hourly chart, I found something what you also saw already here in the picture of that video. On the 12 hourly chart, we have a bearish divergence playing out. So we can see here in the price action in the past, the upward sloping resistance and the downward sloping trend line here with lower highs, and here we have higher highs, and the same we have here right now. We have higher highs and lower highs in the RSI. So and that bearish divergence might start to play out right now. The last time when we had a correction like that, it was 13%. Now 13% here, if we do the same, would be $27,400, and this is in alignment with a bigger support level. So here, we'll pull here a line. So you see here, the price action got supported all the way until here, where it flipped into resistance, and since then it was resistance until we broke it here into support again. So that is a crucial level that could be attacked on the way to the downside. So we could technically go all the way down there, but it could also stop a little bit higher, could also stop kind of like here, just around the $28,000 level. But I think we're definitely going out to like 29, higher $28,000 level. That is my imminent target. So, and if you want to trade this, there's still an opportunity to trade this. Just wait for that level here to be broken to take a short trade. So you can also see here, we have a broadening wedge here. So here's the neckline of it. That is at, where is it? So this is at $30,060. Once that gets broken, you can open a short and trade this all the way to at least $28,200 in my opinion. So if you missed the short that I gave you yesterday, so most likely you got stopped out like me. I got stopped out twice, so I'm not into it right now. But I was technically right that we are going down. Just I should have anticipated a higher entry. So, but yeah, with the general idea, I was definitely right here. I wanted to point that out. So, but we get another chance here at $30,060. Once we are breaking that to the downside, that can be your new entry. And that would still give you, even if we go only like to 28, roughly 6.5%. So imagine you trade this with 20x leverage. It's 130% to the downside in profit that you can bank here really easy on that trade once the bearish divergence is playing out. And that will be the confirmation for the bearish divergence playing out if we break here that horizontal support of the recent price action. If we see a bounce from there and we break above here that upward sloping resistance line, then that will be invalidated with, of course, another move here to the upside and a break of the downwards trend line also in the RSI. That will invalidate the bearish divergence. But otherwise, right now, I believe the chances are more tilting to that we see a break to the downside. And guys, if you want to trade with me together, don't forget to do this on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 absolutely for free if you use my specific link, and on ASCENDEX $2,000 for free. And if you complete some simple tasks, you can also earn some free Bitcoin, but also only with that link. So this is $32,000 absolutely for free that you could have used to short the market right now. And it's real money. So definitely sign up and take advantage of that. And of course, guys, if you want to learn how to professionally trade and how I am always ahead of the curve and have the edge in the market to know where the market is actually going, because I told you we are breaking down for multiple days now, and people were laughing and spitting in my face, but now you see that I was actually right. If you want to learn how I'm able to do this, then go here to my website, amcrypto.us, to my trading university. There I have different course programs that you can take advantage of and enroll today with a special offer. DM me on Instagram, special offer, and I'm gonna send it to you. You can get a huge discount if you are ready to take action today on these programs. So now let's go back to Bitcoin. Here you see what I was yesterday pointing out on the 4-hourly chart. So I told you most likely here we get a nice entry and then can trade this all the way down to at least $29,300. So, but I did not anticipate to see a huge wick like this scam wick to the upside, because I went in kind of like here and I got then stopped out here, and I got then in another time and then I got stopped out kind of like, yeah, I got, wait, where did I got in? So I got in then the second time around here, and I got then moved again one time up and stopped me again out here. Since then I was not in it. If I would have waited I would have made now really nice money on that specific trade. But it's fine, you know. It's I just wait for 30,060 for another short opportunity. Here you see also 30,100 gets tested right now. If it breaks, we go really quick with the acceleration further to the downside. Here on that 4-hourly chart, we have again the monthly pivots. Here, that is definitely the imminent target of that move to the downside. Here, that monthly pivot here at $29,700. And yeah, if that is not giving us support, then we definitely see an acceleration here all the way down here to $28,100 in my opinion. So guys, it's right now time to short, no time for longs. If you have longs, I hope you close them, and let's make some money shorting, guys. That's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I see you then again tomorrow.